Terminal Tech. Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you uh, the Apple iPad accessory keyboard. So it's a really great keyboard to type in with friends and homeworks. So first we'll try it with Notes application, and for example we want to type in introduction of our YouTube channel. And for example, we're gonna write, hey, this is the Terminal Tech, and we are testing the iPad keyboard. So it's really great accessory with your homeworks, and you can also connect your uh, iPad to iTunes or to speakers, and it's really great also with chatting. For example, we'll go to Skype and chat with some friends. So I'll say to my friend, I'm testing the keyboard. So it's pretty easier than you type on the iPad itself. So let's say what will type? Oh, the one for iPad is awesome. So another feature in this keyboard is you can lock screen from the keyboard, and you can make the volume higher, lower, and mute. You can pause, play, and stop, rewind, backward and forward. And for example, if you were in Safari and wanted to type something, by this button you could view the keyboard and hide. This one is used to make slideshows. This one is for brightness, and this one takes you to the search engine. For example, I want to play a game, and this one is home screen. So thanks for watching, and please comment, rate, and subscribe.